And one that really, Dan, one that really hit hard. This is from Gideon, who dubbed Dan W Dan WAN. They know
What
you.
Dan?
No, it's
W
so
Dan. W Dan. WAN.
I like that. WAN.
W-A-N.
Yeah, we should grab that, Zach. WAN. And you know, this moment actually reverberated a lot
Oh
because
my God.
we started using the W's and the L's.
Yeah.
Yeah, it became a huge thing.
Yeah.
Kind of like the let's go, you know, in a way, this became part of our daily language.
Yeah.
It's a tour de force. It's a cultural tour de force.
It kind of changed our chat to like a Twitch chat. because
Yeah.
That's when the W's and L's.
Yeah, that's when the crossover happened.
That's when my name changed to LB.
LB? Aw. Nobody calls you LB.
I've never seen LB.
Nobody.
Call you WAB.
WB.
WAB.
WB,
WAB.
the Warner Bros.
WAB.